We are here to serve, to become a scholar and get an opportunity to study anywhere in the world. This channel is an extension of legitscholarship.com website. We post scholarships available in USA, UK, Australia, Canada, Italy, France, Belgium, Poland, Qatar, and other Asian, Europe, African, and South American countries. Subscribe now to have latest information about scholarships.
Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel where we discuss scholarship for international students and their application method. In this video, we will take a look at South Korea WENS Kids Scholarship Fully Funded 2024-2025. Follow me as I explain to you how to apply for this scholarship and everything you need to know about this scholarship. Okay, this is another scholarship opportunity for those who want to study in South Korea. It is a fully funded opportunity for graduate programs only. If you are seeking to apply undergraduate program at this point in time, this scholarship is not available for you right now. Although there are other scholarship opportunities that you can apply for, which are also available for undergraduates. So, let's take a look at some major things we need to know or put at the back of our mind before I proceed to show you the application process. This is another opportunity to apply at Kummoh National Institute of Science and Technology, as the university offers limited number of scholarships which is available for international students, and this scholarship is for fall intake for 2024-2025. International students pursuing Masters and PhD program can apply for this fully tuition-free scholarship. Also, there are other benefits if you are awarded this scholarship, which I will show you subsequently. So, the university is known as Kummoh National Institute of Science and Technology, and this university only offer technology courses. If you are in the field of engineering, this scholarship is for you particular. If you are going for master's degree program in the field of engineering or PhD programs in the field of engineering. WENS means Wireless and Emerging Network System Laboratory. Let's dive into the criteria, but before that, let's take a look at the scholarship details. This scholarship is available in South Korea. The host is Kummoh National Institute of Science and Technology. It's a fully funded scholarship and is for Masters and PhD, targeted at international students or nationals. Let's take a look at the eligibility requirements for South Korea WENS Kids Scholarship fully funded for 2024-2025 academic section. Applicants must have studied engineering in previous study. Courses like electrical, electronics, telecommunication, or computer engineering or computer science, whichever the case may be. Only applicable for Masters and PhD programs. A CGPA of more than or equals to 3.0 or /4.0 must have been achieved. Proof of English language proficiency like IELTS. These are the scores. Domestic students are not eligible. if you own a South Korean citizenship, or you are a domestic student, you are born in South Korea with a South Korea citizenship, you are not eligible for this scholarship. These are the benefits of this scholarship. It covers tuition fee. There's a monthly stipend of $850 to $950 per G. Healthcare coverage. Also, monthly stipend of $600 to $650 per month for master's students. So these are the documents that is required. You need a graduate certificate of graduation or diploma, academic transcripts, record of language proficiency, copy of passport and alien registration card, family register or other document which shows both parent and non-Korean citizenship, self-introduction, essay, study plan, bank statement, recommendation letter. So we move to how to apply. But before that, let's take a look at the courses that are offered at the university under the field of engineering. The courses in the field of engineering include electronic engineering, architectural engineering, industrial engineering, polymer science and engineering, material design engineering, environmental engineering, applied chemistry. We have chemical engineering, advanced material science and engineering, mechanical engineering, civil engineering, computer AI convergence engineering, software engineering, optical engineering. So these are the courses. We have mechanical IT convergence engineering, IT convergence engineering, mathematics, business administration, department of consulting. I think these three courses are excluded because only courses that are in the field of engineering are available for scholarship. Okay, this is the application procedure for South Korea WENS scholarship fully funded 2024-2025. All you need to do is to read this attachment here. Just read this attachment first. Click on it and you'll be directed to this page. So this scholarship doesn't include accommodation. You have to pay for your accommodation, but other expenses are being covered. So you have to go through these frequently asked questions. Then go through it one after the other to see what you need to know. These are the details. Once you are satisfied with the answers and you meet the requirements, then you forward your document to this email. labwens@gmail.com. To confirm if this email is right, it is also indicated here. So you forward your document to this particular email. If you also have questions or you need to be clarified about some things you need to know, then you can message this email as well and you will be replied at the appropriate time. So for the deadline date is 17th of May. You have to ensure you submit all documents before the deadline dates. All documents must be submitted at Kummoh Institute of Technology to be eligible for scholarship. So these are the things you need to know about this scholarship. If you qualify for this program, you can submit your application and hopefully you will get a place to study at KIT Institute. So ensure you follow the appropriate procedure, and if you have further questions, you can drop them in the comment. I will drop the link of this web page down in the description box so you can access this page and apply. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on your notification bell for subsequent videos like this. See you in our next video. You are welcome.